This is the devastating and gory fallout of greed, of rampant and uncontrolled mining in Odisha. We may love and revere elephants, but across Odisha, they are facing extinction out of the mad passion for another deity, Lakshmi.
We have seen a drastic decline in the population of wild elephants of Keonjhar district over the last 7 years, which is directly attributed to the huge and quantum jump in mining.
The rapacious hunger that's unleashed a plunder of Odisha's minerals is seeing mining companies ruthless go beyond their legal mining limits and encroach into government lands, including protected forests.
If they are withdrawn, naturally, where do the elephants go? They go in herds and they require their food from the trees and they require some water source. You can't declare a wildlife sanctuary on the hilltop.
You can very clearly see that the leaves have got a thick layer of soot and dust, which have emanated from the numerous industries using coal and also the mines from which dust come flying and settle on these forests. And now, this particular forest is no longer a safe haven for the elephants. With the Odisha government spinelessly looking the other way and India's ancient forests are being ravaged, and the elephant, the very symbol of India, is facing extinction because of a shrinking habitat, starvation and increased man-animal conflicts. Take a look at this map. It is where most of India's forest and elephants are. Now, a look at this map. It is where most of India's minerals are. The two areas almost fully overlap. To carefully balance both mining and natural habitat, the government should be creating special reserves for elephants, just as it's done for the tiger. But every proposal to do that has been shot down, set aside, or simply ignored. Today, all the government has done is set up tiny corridors for elephants to move between different forests. But even these corridors are being overrun by greedy and seemingly uncontrollable mining companies, while the state officials are shrugging and doing nothing. As elephants are being pushed out of their own habitat and preserves, they are straying into villages where they are brutally killed. Sometimes the toll is also human. Over just a last few months, 8 people have been killed by elephants in Champua subdivision in Keonjhar. As elephants pushed out of their preserves have strayed around, dozens have been killed, electrocuted or rammed by trains. This area of Keonjhar had just 115 5 years ago, now has less than 40. Just last month, 3 elephants were rammed by a train and 2 were electrocuted, as per the Forest Department's own records.
The frequency has gone from 40 minutes per gap of a train. Now it is 18 minutes, and they are planning it to make 13 minutes. When a gap frequency becomes so, it becomes difficult for the herd to cross, and herd has got mentality. The whole of the herd will like to pass.
Large number of these fragile electric poles have been set up all along the elephant corridor in Keonjhar. Now the Forest Department is blaming it on the Electricity Department, but no remedial steps have been taken so far. The entire elephant corridor is now studded with mines. You can analyze the overall situation on your own. It is just impossible for an elephant to pass through this area, and it is largely because of increased mining activities in the entire stretch that the elephant corridor has now been rendered critical. Last year, the Divisional Forest Officer Keonjhar recommended that a company called Sarda Mines have its mining license revoked for its blatant and constant violation of forest laws. The locals are a testimony to the fast dwindling elephants in Keonjhar, which is a part of a very important elephant corridor.
आगे आसुले बहुत बहुत हाथी आसुले किंतु इला वर्तमान जमती माइंस खुला हला आसुथन केबे केबे आसुथन सब बड़ा आसके
The last serious proposal to create elephant preserves in Baitarni and South Odisha Elephant Reserve was mooted by Forest Secretary G.B. Mukherjee. Preservationists say it is observed not to create such reserves, which are the only proven way to save any animal from extinction.
Today, how many villages are being plagued by elephants? Because 7 elephant corridors which were recommended to the government of India were withdrawn by the state government.
Both the central government and the state government, being in active collusion with the mining lobby, they continue to grant permissions in these wildlife rich areas and destroy the wildlife.
Since there is no elephant reserve, now the forest laws are openly being flouted by several companies as they got a free hand. But a reserve, as per the court rulings, would have translated into a complete shutdown of their operations.